Okay, this is the toilet that we're gonna replace the actual seat. So right now I'm gonna turn off the first thing you gotta turn off is your water and flush it, and then make sure it doesn't drain. So put something underneath of it. So let's get started. All right, first time turning on, did some cycle, light came on. We're gonna go put some saran wrap right now to test it out. In order to make this work, you need to be sitting on it, all right? So right now it's warm, the seat's warm. There's the water dispenser. You can see it, it's working very well. Dispensing the water, it's going back on. Okay, it turns off. We're gonna go to the next one. Now, this one's the air. All you have to do is wait, and it dries you up. So it does 2 in 1. So as you can see, it's actually keeping the seat nice and warm. It has a heater built in, right? Now, in order to make any functions work, you need to be sitting on it, all right? And look at this. If I close it up, it's completely sealed. If I open it, it's perfectly. So you can even see the heating up, just like a Japanese toilet. So overall, the system is really, really good. Now, this is a sensor because you need to be sitting on it. But the process took me about 20 minutes to put together, all right? And the LED light indicates the actual heat and everything else. I like that to give this control. I'm gonna put it right here on the edge of the wall so I could take it out and actually use it. So this seat is really comfortable, especially on cold days. The water source, you could actually, when it's draining too far, if it's too far from you, you can actually adjust that. You could adjust it through the controller, or you could adjust it through the actual knob here. And the whole thing, look at that LED light. UV killing any kind of bugs out there, any things. Look at that. Come at night, let me turn off the light so you guys can see it. You do need power opening at night. Look at that. Fancy toilet here in my house. I'm gonna love this thing, so I hope you guys do too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.